Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to download songs on Spotify so you can listen to your favorite tracks even when you're offline. Whether you're on your phone or computer, we've got you covered. So, let's get started. First, open up the Spotify app on your phone, tablet, or computer. Next, search for the song, album, or playlist you want to download. You can use the search bar at the top of the app or scroll through your library. For Spotify Premium users, you'll see a download button next to the album or playlist. Simply tap it to start downloading. And if you want to download songs, just add them to your playlist or your liked songs and the download will begin. Now give it a moment. Once your song or playlist is fully downloaded, you'll see a little green arrow next to the item. When the download is done, you can listen offline by switching to offline mode in your settings. And that's it. Now you can enjoy your favorite music without worrying about data or Wi-Fi. Simple, right? Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome tips. Drop any questions you have in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one. Enjoy your music.